Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace engine air filter and cabin filter on this 2019 Infiniti QX60. This procedure will be similar for different model years of Infiniti QX60 and Nissan Pathfinder equipped with the same engine. As a replacement engine air filter, I will be using this Fram Extra Guard model number CA4309. The engine air filter is located inside of this box. Before opening the box, clean any dust or dirt that will prevent it from getting inside of the box when you open it. Now we can open the box by unclipping these two clips, this one and this one. Now I can pull the cover towards me, pull it up a little bit to disengage the cover from the bottom, like so. Now I can lift it and move a little bit to the back, exposing the old filter. So now I can see the old filter, and now I have enough room to pull the old filter out. So this is the old filter. Before installing new filter, I will vacuum inside of the box. Now I can install new filter. This is the correct orientation of the filter. Open the box by pushing to the back and slide new filter in. Now, as you can see, the filter sits correctly. The cover has plastic lips on the side. Make sure those lips are not biting the filter, or they are on outside of the filter. And now, as filter is in its place, make sure the back of the cover is engaged, those clips on the back engaged in the base of the box. By pushing it in, now I can close the clips. So we got new filter installed. As a replacement cabin filter, I will be using filter made by EPAUTO, model number CP776, and there is list of replacement Nissan part numbers here on the box. The cabin filter in these cars is located in the front passenger footwell area. The cabin filter housing is located right here. This is the actual door that we need to remove to get access to the filter. So this is the latch that we need to push up and remove this cover to get access to the filter. It's not that easy to get it out. You need to find a way to pinch it, to pull it out. You can use long nose pliers or some kind of pick. I'll use a pick by pulling it. So now I'm getting the old filter out. Okay, I got it out. This is the old filter, and this is the airflow arrow that shows direction of air from the engine compartment towards the passenger compartment. This is the new filter. When installing new filter, make sure to install it the same way. The old filter is not terribly dirty. It's even more difficult to get new filter in this car. You can try squeezing new filter on both sides and trying to get it in this way. What I found works for me, I try to put the top corner first in, and then I'm putting the bottom in and pushing the filter this way at the same time. So I will try to get in there and show it to you how I do it. So what I do, I put the filter, new filter right here in this area. And this is the opening where it has to go, right here. So now, as it's here, I'm engaging top corner into that opening and then pushing with another hand this way, forcing it at the same time into the hole and forcing the bottom in. It's very difficult to hold camera with one hand and do it with another hand. So I got the top in and I push it this way, getting the lower end in the hole. So now I have the whole that side in the hole in the box, and I'm just pushing the filter in. Okay, so the filter is in. Now with the new cabin filter installed, we can reinstall the housing cover. To install the housing cover, you need to push the housing cover up to make sure this tab locks into its spot, and then you need to push it to make sure this latch locks in. To put the cover in, first engage the top latch and then lock the bottom. So we have the cabin filter replaced. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.